So it's been a really busy session in Parliament. Our team has been working really hard to get lots done for you.
Tonight on Primetime Politics, the House returns.
We're going to be presenting our federal budget with our plan for how to grow the economy and support Canadians.
We'll use all procedural tools at our disposal to block the budget from passing.
Investments in things like dental care, in a grocery rebate, in supports for low-income renters, and the kinds of things that Conservatives would be cutting instead.
3, 2.
My name is Georgia Hall. I'm the Member of Parliament for Calgary Skyview.
Hi, my name is Ariel Kaivaga, and I'm the Member of Parliament for London West.
Hey everyone, I'm Goody Hutchings, and I'm the proud Member of Parliament for the Long Range Mountains in beautiful Western Newfoundland and Labrador.
I'm really glad we moved forward with Bill C-35, cementing early learning and childcare across Canada for generations to come. This act and childcare and early learning is saving Canadian families today literally thousands of dollars a year and ensuring children across Canada have better futures.
Je suis fière qu'on a pu avancer avec le projet de loi C-35, un projet de loi qui vise à protéger l'éducation à la petite enfance à travers le pays. Donc le but de ce projet serait d'amener l'éducation à la petite enfance qui est abordable pour toutes les familles à travers le pays.
Hi, I'm Maninder Sidhu, the Member of Parliament from Brampton East. I'm talking about the Budget Implementation Act.
Le budget nous apporte une aide aux Canadiens, aux Canadiennes qui en ont bien besoin pour rendre la vie plus abordable, mais on fait ça tout en croissant notre économie, la rendant plus verte, plus prospère et en bâtissant une classe moyenne forte et qui est au cœur de notre économie.
I'm really proud of the fact that we passed an excellent budget for our region and broke through some pretty substantial procedural barriers to get it implemented through the Budget Implementation Act.
And I'm so glad that we're moving forward on Bill C-47 that is going to provide dental care to close to 9 million Canadians, including seniors.
One of the things I'm most proud of is the fact that we passed the Cost of Living Act, which will provide hundreds of dollars to about 11 million Canadians. Canadians are struggling with the cost of living, they're struggling with inflation, they're struggling with the cost of gas and groceries in my constituency in Etobicoke Centre. This is going to provide much needed relief to seniors, to families with kids, to single people, to help them cope with the rising cost of living and live a higher quality of life.
Bref, on va mettre plus d'argent dans les poches de millions de Canadiens.
I want to talk about Bill C-21. I grew up in Northern Ontario. I live in Toronto now. I've seen both sides of the issue. This piece of legislation strikes that balance, the urban-rural divide, and it's the right thing to do for Canada.
It's the country's most significant action on gun violence in a generation.
Ça permettra de rendre nos communautés plus sécuritaires et à protéger un plus grand nombre de personnes contre la violence aux armes à feu.
Hi, my name is Jaime Batiste. I'm Member of Parliament for Sydney, Victoria, and I'm really happy that we moved ahead with Bill C-29 on Truth and Reconciliation Commission, independent oversighted body to make sure that reconciliation is a priority now and into the future.
The Canada Health Transfer will deliver the timely healthcare services people need et renforcera notre système de santé publique.
Notre priorité, c'est de livrer les meilleurs soins possibles au moment et à l'endroit voulu.
I'm really glad we moved forward with investments in the Canada Health Transfer, which will benefit Canadians in reducing backlogs and wait times when they need to access medical services wherever they live across Canada.
I'm excited about all of our accomplishments this session. One of them that I was actively involved with was Bill C-11. This is about artists and creators in Canada. The last time we amended the Broadcasting Act was 1990. A lot's changed. This is about making big tech giants pay their fair share and pay into Canadian content, ensure that we have great stories to tell well into the future.
I am so proud that we passed the Canada Disability Benefit Bill C-22. What was really special about this bill is that it passed unanimously. It was a total team effort here on Parliament Hill, all parties, all stakeholders, all Canadians working together. And what this is going to do is not only is it going to lift hundreds of thousands of Canadians out of poverty, but it will provide financial security and close the gap for millions of working age Canadians with disabilities from coast to coast to coast, including my community of Windsor-Tecumseh.
And that's really going to help people with disabilities and really enable their robust contribution to society.
We've gotten a lot done, but there's always more to do. So we're ready to come back next session and work even harder to deliver for you.